Now, the price effect. This is a very difficult concept. The price effect is equal to the substitution effect and the income effect. Now, if the price of a good changes, two things will happen. The substitution effect. When a good falls in price, it becomes cheaper relative to other goods which have not changed in price. Therefore, demand increases. The income effect. When the price of a good falls, the real income of the consumer increases. Demand for normal goods increases and falls for inferior goods. Now let's have a look at three examples here. We're looking at good A, good B, and good C. And go and look at the type of a good is a normal good. So let's have a look at A. As the price of good A falls, the substitution effect is more will be demanded because it's cheaper. The income effect is more will be demanded because if there's a reduction in the price, a person's income rises. Part B, or good B. Good B is an inferior good, but it's not a given good. So if the price of good B falls, the substitution effect is more will be demanded because it is cheaper. The income effect, as the income will go up, but for an inferior good, the income effect is less will be demanded. And good C, which is also an inferior good, as the price goes down, the substitution effect goes up because it is relatively cheaper. However, as the income goes up, the income effect is less will be demanded. Now, so we've now done the substitution and income effect. How does that affect the price effect? So for good A, more plus more equals more. For good B, which is an inferior good, but it's not a given good, the substitution effect of more is stronger than the income effect of less, so the price effect is more. And for good C, an inferior good, which is also a given good, more, the substitution effect is that more is weaker than the income effect, therefore the price effect is less. And a second type of question that has come up before, a consumer spends all his income on two goods, good A and good B. Both goods are normal goods. Now what does that mean? That means that as income goes up, demand goes up, but they are not complementary goods. They have no relationship to each other. The price of good A is reduced and the price of good B remains unchanged. The consumer continues to spend all his income on the two goods. Distinguish between the substitution effect and the income effect of the price reduction of good A. So demand for good A the substitution effect is good A is now cheaper, so the demand for it will go up. Hence the consumer is getting more satisfaction for this good. The income effect is that the consumer's income has increased due to the reduction in the price of good A. As good A is a normal good, the demand for this good will increase, i.e. the income effect is the demand will increase.